Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute ghost girl. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eyes with two large ovals. And then let's thicken it up on the top corner. And then a curl out and back in for the eyelashes. And color them both in black. Next, let's hop inside each of the eyes and let's draw a circle on the top left corner. Now top on top, and let's draw a curve up and back down for the eyebrows. And then thicken them up slightly towards the center. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a long curve down, and the same on the right side. Now in between, let's draw the bangs. Let's start with a curve on top on the left, bring it over and back up. And then another section next to it on the right in the same way. And then curve it down to the right side. Now top over to the left, and let's add another curve over to finish off the bangs. Now top down, and let's draw a curve across for the bottom of the face. And now that we have the shape of the face, let's move in and let's draw an oval for the mouth, a curve inside, and then color the top section in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's draw the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a curve across. And then continue it on both sides and curve it down. Now underneath, let's draw a wavy line out and down. And then a wavy line back up like this. Now start inside the strand of hair and let's draw a curve up and a wavy line down. Now top inside, and let's continue the line we drew next to the face by curving it down. Then let's curve it up and back down. And then a curve up and wave it down to the end. And that's it for the hair. Now let's move in and let's draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then let's continue it on the other side of the hair underneath here. Now from the ends, let's draw a curve up and back down. And then curve it up for the other side of the sleeves. Now at the end of each sleeve, let's draw a curve for the hands. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's continue drawing the rest of the dress. Underneath the hands, let's draw a wavy line down. And then close off the bottom with a wavy line across. Now underneath each of the corners, let's draw another curve up. And then add a few curved lines up from the bottom. And that's it for the dress. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the feet. Let's start with 2 angled lines down on the left and on the right. Then let's close off the bottom by bringing it down, around, and back up. And then add a curve inside each foot. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add a few ghosts floating around. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up, bringing it around with a wavy line like this. Then add 2 black circles for the eyes and a mouth underneath. Now let's add one more in the same way underneath on the left. And this one with a circle mouth. And then another one on the right side. And that's it for this cute ghost girl. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!